Very interesting table in which we'll have the word anti-Semitism with Messiah. The question was the connection. Messiah, anti-Semitism? Yeah. How it is? So it's very famous in the Midrash, refers to a verse in the Bible which says, when Jews are in exile and they want to be like the nation, to use the same culture, to use the same way, then God turned, then He turned the heart of the people to hate them, anti-Semitism. Really, this is a Midrash brought many in the connection with Egypt. When Jews came to Egypt with Jacob, they, according to the Torah and so on, kept everything, was nice. When they start to be assimilating, like the Midrash says, in the some theaters and so on, then came anti-Semitism, all this slavery in Egypt. The same thing today also, because when Jews really want to be like the Goyim, like the nation, they take their culture to use according to them and so on, then anti-Semitism come and teach the Jews, you are different, go away from it, you are not in our place. And this goes going more and more, and this is supposed to bring Jews to Shuvah, to understand we are really different. What is that? The more we want to be like the non-Jews, the more we help them and so on. They are against us. So the reason, because you are different nations, this is what is supposed to introducing, which you have to learn from the Hamas, from the Arabs. They said, Allahu Akbar, we believe in this one, the Islam, we keep it. Don't tell us what to do. Unfortunately, the Jews is different. This is exactly the trouble started, like Rabin said, the very, very famous verse in the Bible, in the Torah really, Am levadad yishkon, Jewish people are different. Ubagoim lo chashav, is not considered by the nations. So Rabbi says the idea is when Jews realize that a different culture, different Torah, different belief, so Bagoim lo chashav, they don't have to take into consideration what non-Jews say, but if they want to be, then how they have to take in consideration what Europe think about them, what this one about saying, what Obama, so terribly. We should learn from the Hamas, who said we believe in the Islam, don't tell us to do. So this is the table anti-Semitism, you have here in black anti, Shamiyut in red, then you have Torah in the center, because this is what makes Jews difference. Then comes out, very interesting, you have Elijah, by the way. All this, what you see, comes in few verses in chapter 26 in Leviticus. Amazing. So, what you have here. So you see in red, anti-Semitism, really anti-Semitism. Then Elijah, and then Torah. And then it does not come in one word, anti-Semitism. So you have it anti, in black, you see anti, and then comes Semitism in red, and here we have Shvais Messiah down, you see, just amazing. Messiah in red and Messiah in purple. In fact, the continuation is the Messiah in the end of days, Harekev. And all of this exactly, this is to understand that anti-Semitism is growing more and more these years. Exactly to tell Jews, look, you are different, keep the Torah, don't take consideration what they say about you. Then you will Messiah, son of Joseph, son of David. And this is the reason for anti-Semitism,